Hello everybody, it's Anna, the Swedish orchid hoarder. As you can see, I have bought some new lights from IKEA. The black lamps there and bulbs that's supposed to be Growlight bulbs. And I have these two and hold on, one in there. They only cost me all the lamps, 3 lamps, 3 bulbs, cost me about $94, which is the same cost that would if I bought just one lamp, more professional type of grow light. So I'm trying this budget version, and I'm hoping to have some good results. In Sweden in November we have had very little sunlight that is, and so I figured I would give my orchids some extra support, but I didn't want to pay too much, and in case this doesn't work out, these lamps can be used as ordinary desk lamps. So I will do some follow-ups if and when I can. And I hope I have a great day, and I see you soon.